This morning I'm a little sleepy because last night stayed up late for watching Japanese sequel dramas. So this morning yawning Very good.
Very good.
Yay.